This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News. We're at the 2012 CTIA Wireless Show in New Orleans with Lixin Cheng, who's CEO of ZTE USA. Lixin, thanks for joining us today.
Nice meeting you, Jeff.
Talk about ZTE's accomplishments in Q1 in the North American market.
Thank you. So, according to IDC, ZTE globally has been solidified our position as a number 4 handset manufacturer. And also in the North America, particularly in the US, according to latest statistics, our market share over 4% now, and ranked at number 6, which is a big accomplishment that we have made during this year. And which is also reflecting we have a right strategy. We're focused on executing, working closer with our carrier customers by launching more products in this market to get into more smartphone into more people's hands.
When we met at CES earlier this year, you talked about your desire to customize and work very closely and partner with the carriers. Can you give us some examples of how you've developed customized solutions for some of your carrier partners and what some of your plans are for the balance of the year?
That's true. For example, we launched the global jetpack with Verizon, which is a global LTE device. You know, in this industry, everyone get excited because everybody moving to LTE from carrier perspective. But not so many people know that actually there is so many bands fragmented for LTE. So by working close with Verizon, we'll be able to produce and design these global devices, which is not only supporting LTE on the Verizon network, and business travelers can take it worldwide, which is a big challenge for most OEMs, but we managed well. So that is one example. Another example that we are supporting Tier 2 carriers LTE strategy also. So by working very close with our chipset manufacturers and also our carriers, so we're going to launch LTE phone in this market also very soon.
Can you talk a bit about your what operating systems you're using today and what plans you have to work with Windows?
As you might notice, our market share in Android operating system is increasing rapidly. One of the fast-growing company in these operating systems. And I also do believe we need a third operating system in order to keep this industry's ecosystem healthy and more balanced. And I do believe Windows has got all the factors to be successful. But looking back, Windows does not, live up to the expectation for the industry. And ZTE could be helped with, more health ecosystem by working more closer with Windows. And we are committed to support both operating systems. We already launched Windows Phone in other parts of the world, including Europe, and we are also going to launch Windows Phone in the US later this year.
What percent of your phones in 2011 were feature phones versus smartphones?
Majority of our phones actually are smartphones now in 2011, and we see continue the trend. Most people are moving towards smartphone. And of course, the feature phone will still remain a segment, and which is I see will be about 25-30% of the whole portfolio of the carriers business in the United States, and ZTE remain committed to support that segment. And we would like to grow with our carriers, grow with our consumers. When they're willing to upgrade, they will stay with smartphone with ZTE also.
What else can you tell us about your strategy in 2012?
In 2012, we will keep focus on our strengths, which is providing end-to-end solution. We have a very clear understanding of the challenges of our carriers, what means the data booming, application on the network, and the LTE challenges for different bands. So we will utilize those competence to working more closer with our carrier customers by deep customize our handset to address their needs and support their strategy. So we will continue to do that. And third things we're going to do is really we will continue working very close with our carrier customers by launching new products and build our brand awareness around launching those hero products.